Elon Musk might be one of the smartest men on the planet, so it's not too outlandish to suspect that he might have installed some features in his cars that he hasn't told anyone about. Let's take a deeper look into it. Before we begin, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe to Tech Division, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Now, let's get started. The meaning of life. We all ponder on what the meaning of life really is from time to time. It's a question philosophers and artists have grappled with for generations, but no one really has the answer. Perhaps Tesla can provide the answer. First, you will need to have their firmware version updated to version 7.0 or higher to unlock this feature. If you tap the Tesla logo, a pop-up screen appears, where if the number 42 is typed in, Tesla automatically changes the name of the car to Life, the Universe, and Everything. Many fans will know that this is a reference to one of Musk's favorite books, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Is Musk suggesting that Tesla cars have the capability of supercomputers? Maybe not quite yet, but he's not far off. Mars map. There are very few people on Earth who are as obsessed with Mars as Elon Musk, so it would be natural for him to include a little feature in his Tesla cars that gives drivers a little taste of the red planet. By pressing and holding the Tesla logo, the screen will ask for an access code. If the word Mars is typed in, the map settings will change, and while you don't exactly get a precise map of Mars, you get something pretty close. This special feature makes it easier for drivers to imagine that they are driving on a foreign planet. Perhaps Elon is preparing the world for a future on Mars. The Spy Who Loved Me. If you know anything about Elon Musk, you'll know that he loves a good car. His favourite car, however, might be the Lotus E-Spirit S1 from the James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me. And with this special feature, Musk has added anyone with a Model S can get a taste of what it feels like to be in an actual James Bond car. By holding the Tesla logo, a login screen appears where the driver can type in 007 to access this hidden feature. You can even change the suspension on the screen to depth leagues. Who says only secret agents can have all the fun? Mario Kart map. Tesla undoubtedly produces high-end cars, but that doesn't mean they can't have a little fun with them too. Another unique hidden feature is one that draws inspiration from the Mario Kart games. Mario fans will be aware of the Rainbow Road stage from various versions of the game, where the road quite literally turns into a rainbow. Musk explained the feature to Tesla owners, saying that they would have to activate the autopilot feature in quick succession to bring the Rainbow Road on their screens. If you're going to try this, however, just remember that it doesn't actually turn your car into a Mario Kart vehicle. Back to the future. Another fun little feature was discovered by a Reddit user when they were charging their Tesla vehicle back in 2018. You won't find this feature anywhere in the car, but rather on the official mobile app that syncs with the car. On the app, the charging is displayed with some references to the film Back to the Future. There is a 1.21 gigawatt sign at the top and even alerts about time circuits going off. It's a clever homage to the scene where the Doctor is worried about not having the capability of producing that kind of power.
How could I have been so careless? 1.21 gigawatts? Tom, how am I going to generate that kind of power?
Unless you find yourself a bolt of lightning. You'll love the attention to detail this feature has if you're a big Back to the Future fan. Colourful charging. Leave it to Tesla to make even the most mundane of processes fun and exciting. Even something as simple as recharging your vehicle has an added layer of interest included. When the plug is inserted inside of the car, pressing the button on the charger 10 times will make the port begin to flash different and vibrant colours. Tesla truly is the gift that keeps on giving. Surprise Santa. Speaking of gifts, Musk might even have more children believing in Santa thanks to this new feature. It is available on the Tesla and doesn't require pressing any buttons at all. Instead, you just have to say 3 magic words: ho ho ho. Once spoken, the Tesla screen will show a graphic of Santa riding along in his sleigh. Mums and dads will love giving their kids a special surprise with this wintry Easter egg. Making art in a Tesla. If you want the artist within you to flourish or just feel the need to spend some time doodling nonsense, Tesla's got you covered. When the version 8.1 software was originally rolled out, it allowed Tesla owners to convert their infotainment systems into Sketchpads. You can even send those sketches to Tesla for a review if you're feeling brave. All you need to do to activate this feature is tap the T on the center screen 3 times, and 2 options will appear. One says, "No, the world isn't ready for my art," and the other says, "Say I am an artist." While this is not a necessary feature, it's still pretty cool to have the option to doodle in your car. Tesla shows more love than the ordinary car. Who says your car doesn't love you back? Believe it or not, a Tesla car won't be afraid to show you some love when you give it a hug. You can try this feature out by standing behind a Model 3 and reaching both hands across to touch the bottom edge of the taillights. The panels will open up, and behind them is a small red heart tucked away for Tesla owners. Oh, Elon, you're going to make me blush. So, what do you think? Are these features cool, or are they just a waste of time and effort? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the newest content.